I want to share with you what is it that inspires me to be such a champion or such a vocal spokesperson for organic farming. If there is one act, just one act, which if you choose to do, has an impact at 3 levels. You know, it's like, to use the proverbial word, proverbial phrase, hitting 3 birds with 1 stone. If there is that one thing, it is choosing to go organic. Why? Choosing to go organic, as we have well spoken, you all know, and you know, if you look up, you will find out more and more answers. Organic food is beyond doubt beneficial for our health and our family's health. There is no doubt about this. So one, choose to go organic for ourselves. Second, choose to go organic for the sake of the farmer. If we are genuinely concerned about the farmer, if we are genuinely concerned about a farmer's health, then organic farming is the way. How does the farmer get impacted by organic food? On one side, we may think, oh, the farmer is making more money because the prices are higher. There is a whole story of, on the other side, about the price that the farmer gets, which is not at all what I am talking about. What I am talking about is the health impact on the farmer. Punjab is the shining example. If you ask green, if you think of Green Revolution, all of you must have heard of the Green Revolution in the 1960s. In a very, very big way, the government of India, in their wisdom at that point in time, promoted chemical farming. And the shining example today, if you think of which is the place which is the shining example of organic farming, Punjab is the place that comes to our mind, the state of Punjab, where they extensively adopted chemical farming in just about everything that they did. You will be surprised to know that there is a train that runs between Bathinda in Punjab to Bikaner in Rajasthan. This train, you go to Bathinda railway station, go to the enquiry counter and ask this question: what time will cancer train come? Yes, you have not heard it wrong. What time will the cancer train come? That person at that counter will tell you the time. Why? Because majority of the people who are traveling in this particular train are cancer patients. You imagine a train load, and not just one day, every day there is a train loads of cancer patients traveling to Bikaner in Rajasthan. Why? Because in Bikaner they are able to get free treatment for cancer. A very, very, very sad reality. What it means is this, that this decades of this Green Revolution has resulted in a huge number of farmers ending up with cancer decades later. So, if we are genuinely concerned about farmers' health, choosing organic food is something that will benefit the farmer, will benefit the farmer's health. Third, organic farming has a huge impact on the environment. There is enough and more documentation of how organic farming is affecting biodiversity, of how organic farming is affecting various forms of life on earth. You know, decades before, when DDT was extensively used, they suddenly discovered that DDT is being found in the fat body of the penguin in Antarctica, where pesticides have never ever been applied. That's the reality, the global scale of the spread of these chemicals. Okay, so that is one. The population of the bald eagle in the USA came to the brink of extinction because of DDT. Today, it's a reality today. Bee populations across the globe are getting affected, they are collapsing because of a certain class of pesticides called the neonicotinoids. These are one of the recent classes of pesticides. So, do chemicals impact the environment? Yes. In other words, just choosing to go organic, just this one act of choosing to go organic, choosing organic food for myself and my family and promoting it in my community has an impact on my health, It has an impact on the farmer's health, and it has an impact on the environmental health also. Incidentally, there is a strong connection that is being established with the use of chemicals in agriculture and climate change also. In other words, choosing to go organic will also have an impact on reducing the impact of climate change. And that is my inspiration for why I choose to promote organic, why I choose to use organic for myself, my family. I never lose an opportunity to talk about this, and I think you should also do that.